Within 5 years, 1 in 20 US residents will operate a plug-in vehicle, but lack the convenience and reduced costs of at-home charging. kWh helps apartment complexes forecast EV charging demand by surveying existing tenants. Using tenant feedback, kWh tech advocates work with property managers and owners to plan for, install, and operate EV chargers. The kWh EV Charger Reservation app shown here allows tenants to schedule and reserve shared EV chargers in their parking lot, carport, or garage. On the home screen, chargers can be scheduled up to 1 week ahead of time by selecting the date and the time. In this example, I want to charge tonight starting at 11 p.m. I can see which chargers are available at the selected time and for how long. Charger number 10 is only available for 5 hours tonight, so I could charge at number 20. But I may be driving tonight for my side gig, so tomorrow morning would work better. Charger availability automatically updates when I modify the time. Now I see that charger number 10 is booked, and number 30 is partially available. For each charger, the charging speed in kilowatts, a description, and available duration are displayed. Charger number 20 is closest to my apartment. I tap to open the reservation screen. The kWh Bot app has a built-in range calculator to help plan how many hours I need to charge. It uses information about the charger and the vehicles I've registered with my account to know how long it should take. My car should be at 50% charge tomorrow morning. I can update the calculator and see that 3 hours will get me to 88% charge. However, 4 hours should provide a full charge, which is what I prefer. I finalized the reservation for 4 hours. I'm redirected to the second page of the bottom menu. This page lists upcoming and past charging sessions. I can see the newly added reservation along with some others I previously scheduled. If I want to see how many hours I last charged, I go to the Past Sessions tab and can see that I charged for 8 hours. Since I'm charging tonight, I should cancel my reservation for the 15th, since I won't be driving much over the next couple of days. To do this, I tap the info or trash can icon. This brings me to the charging sessions info page where I can now cancel the reservation. I can cancel up to an hour before sessions start. The reservation is now gone. When I go back to the charger availability page using the menu at the bottom, my upcoming reservation prevents reserving another session that starts within 12 hours of the reservation start. We can reserve a later date if desired. To download the app, I was able to scan the QR code at the charger which linked to the App Store. The app will also be available in the Apple and Android app stores and can be used in browser. Setting up a new profile just requires an email and a password. The app will soon enable federated logins from Google, Apple, or Facebook. The third page on the menu is for registering plug-in vehicles. This includes any family, roommate, or guest vehicles I allow to charge in my account. If the apartment chose to install security cameras near the EV chargers, access will be remotely monitored and enforced either manually or through the kWh AI license recognition system currently in development. To add a vehicle, I tap here and fill out my guest vehicle information. I save the vehicle and can see it in the list of authorized EVs. Now, if my friend starts dating my neighbor, I want to remove them from my account. I can do this by tapping either the info or the vehicle buttons. Here, I can update the vehicle info or revoke access. This vehicle now shows up as disabled for my account. I can grant access again later through the same interface. The last section of the app is the user profile page. I can log out or change my name or my email here. Contact us at kwhbot.com to request this app for your property. If you are a tenant, show this to your property manager and send us an email letting us know what type of EV you own and where you live so we can follow up with management. If your property doesn't currently have EV chargers, I recommend starting with the kWh Bot tenant surveys and planning services. Meanwhile, our R&D division is developing EV charging robots which will be scheduled through this app. With robotic delivery of charge, tenants will be able to park anywhere in the lot and still get the charge that they need.